everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Talk, where we make English learning simple, real, and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And today's episode is one that a lot of learners have been waiting for. How to think in English.
Yes, this is such an important topic. So many English learners say, I can read and understand, but I can't think in English.
Exactly. When you have to translate everything in your head from your native language to English, it slows you down, right?
Yeah, and it makes speaking harder. But imagine this. You see a cup, and instead of thinking the word in your own language first, you just think cup. That's what thinking in English really means. Your brain starts using English automatically.
That's right. And the good news is anyone can train their brain to think in English. It's not magic. It's a daily habit.
Totally. So today, we're going to share some simple, practical ways you can start thinking in English every single day.
All right, let's get into it. Emma, what's your first tip?
Okay, my first tip is simple. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Talk to yourself in English.
I do that all the time. People think I'm crazy, but it works.
Exactly. You don't need anyone else to practice. Just describe what you're doing, like I'm making coffee or I'm walking to work. You're basically training your brain to use English in real time.
That's so true. I remember when I was learning Spanish, I used to talk to myself about everything. I'm cooking rice. I'm checking my phone. It felt silly at first, but after a few weeks, it became natural.
Right? Because your brain starts connecting actions with English words, not translations.
Yeah, it's like building new roads in your brain. At first, the road is rough, but the more you drive on it, the smoother it becomes.
I love that metaphor. And if talking to yourself feels weird, you can do it quietly in your head, like a little inner narration.
Exactly. You don't have to say it out loud. Just think in English. I'm tired. I need water. Where's my phone?
Yes, that's how thinking in English starts, with small daily thoughts.
Okay, my favorite tip, and it really works, is naming things around you. Like when you look around your room, just say things in English. Table, chair, phone, light, wall, fan, book.
Oh, I love that one. It's so simple, but it keeps your brain active in English. You can even add adjectives: blue chair, heavy book, cold water.
And once you start, it becomes automatic. Suddenly, your brain just starts seeing in English.
Exactly. And my next one, think in short sentences, not single words. So instead of just saying book, say the book is on the table. That helps you train your grammar naturally.
Yeah, that's a really good point because sometimes learners focus too much on vocabulary and forget how to connect words.
Totally. And don't worry about mistakes. If you think the book on table, that's okay. The goal isn't perfection. It's fluency.
Right, you can fix grammar later. Thinking in English is about speed and flow, not accuracy at first.
Exactly. Okay, next tip, stop translating. That's the biggest mistake learners make.
Oh, yes. When people try to translate every single word, it takes forever.
Yeah, it's like trying to run with heavy shoes. You'll move, but it's slow and tiring.
So how can learners stop translating, Emma?
Great question. Start by using simple English definitions instead of your native language. For example, if you don't know the word hungry, don't think of your language translation. Think of it as, I want food. That way you stay inside English.
That's smart. It's like creating a mini English world inside your head.
Exactly. And another daily practice is listening to English every day. Podcasts, YouTube, songs, anything.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day helps your brain stay in English mode. If you listen to English regularly, your mind begins to think in those sounds.
And it doesn't have to be hard stuff. What's something fun? Maybe an English vlog or a short story. The goal is not to study, but to immerse.
Immersion is key. You don't have to move to another country to think in English. You can create your English environment right where you are.
Exactly. Change your phone language to English, think your shopping list in English, even write your daily journal in English.
Yes, journaling is amazing for that. Just write what you did today. I woke up late. I had tea. I met my friend. No big grammar rules, just daily thinking in English.
That's so powerful. And here's another one. Use English when you feel emotional.
Ooh, interesting. What do you mean?
Like when you're angry, excited, or sad, try to express it in English. Say, I'm frustrated, or I'm so happy today. When emotions mix with language, it sticks better in your brain.
Yeah, because it's real, not just a classroom exercise.
Exactly. Real emotions equals real language learning.
You know what's funny is when you start thinking in English, sometimes your first reaction also becomes English.
Like when you drop your phone and say, oh no, instead of your own language.
Exactly. That's when you know you're improving.
Right. It's a sign your brain is switching languages naturally.
Okay, let's give a quick summary for our listeners. Here's how to practice thinking in English daily. 1. Talk to yourself in English, out loud or in your head. 2. Name things around you. 3. Use short sentences. 4. Stop translating. Use English to explain English. 5. Listen and read in English every day. 6. Write a short English journal. 7. Feel in English. Connect emotions to words.
Perfect summary, Jack. And remember, thinking in English doesn't happen overnight. It's like exercising. The more you use those English muscles, the stronger they get.
Exactly. You don't need hours, just a few minutes every day. Consistency beats perfection.
Couldn't agree more. So, listeners, your brain can think in English. You just have to train it little by little.
And now, before we end, time for today's Smart English Challenge.
Yay! Okay, everyone, here's your task. In the comments, write one short paragraph in English about what you're doing right now. For example, I'm listening to this podcast. I'm learning English. I'm feeling motivated.
Simple, right? Just write what's happening around you in English. No translation, no pressure, just real thinking.
We'll read your comments and maybe feature the best ones in the next episode.
Sounds perfect. So keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep speaking English.
This is Emma.
And this is Jack.
And you're listening to Smart English Talk. If you have any topic in mind for next episode, so don't forget to comment us.
If you are enjoying and learning English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Talk.
See you in next episode.